Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm gonna do transfer nail using washi tape. I love washi tapes and have been collecting a lot. I bought this tape when I went to the Mucha exhibition. I was never able to open or use it, but today is the day. You could put washi tape on your nails as it is, but it's kind of difficult to flatten it on your nail, and it also gets wrinkly. I'm gonna make a color copy of some of the washi tape. Let's get started. A4 copy paper. I'm gonna put washi tape on it. Yeah, I know it's not Mucha. I want to make the most of the paper and color copy cost. I want to use as many kinds of washi tape as possible on the A4 sheet. But why pirates? I made nail art with this Santa Claus tape before. So, I kept putting washi tape on the paper. Finally, Mucha. I opened it for the first time today. I was surprised to see the color. It's pretty light colored. I wonder if color comes out nicely when I copy it. I put 2 on each type because I might mess up. Another Mucha washi tape. I love it. I'm gonna use one of them for my nail. I love it so much that I put 3 rows. It's ready now for color copy. I'm gonna go to Daiso, a 100 yen store, to make a color copy. I'm gonna use this design for my thumbnail. I don't think I have to reduce the size a lot. I'm measuring my nail with washi tape. I want the design to be 1.35 centimeters. How big is the design? I want to use from here to here, so it's 1.8 centimeters. I want to make the design 1.35 centimeters. The actual size of the design is 1.8 centimeters. The reduction rate is, I'm calculating, 75%. I came to Daiso. You can make a color copy at any convenience stores in Japan, but Daiso is the cheapest. Sorry about the reflection on the panel. 30 yen for making an A4 color copy. Enlarge, reduce. Enlargement and reduction ratio. The ratio is 50% to 400%. Place the side to be copied face down. Face down, okay. I place thick white paper on it for crisper color copy. I close the lid. All set. Next. Size A4. The reduction ratio is 75%. Insert money. Start and wait. Sorry about the shaky filming. I was able to make it just the right size. Cut out the picture. How should I put it? Rehearsing. Packing film from Daiso. It looks like a stamp. Nail polish remover from Daiso. I heard any remover with propylene carbonate works. A few drops on the paper. Cover with a piece of plastic file. I'm gonna scratch it a lot until my fingers start to hurt. I scratched it for about 1 minute and 40 seconds. It's got too much remover on it, so I'm gonna clean it with water gently. I gently dry it. DIY nail foil is ready. Seria's gel nail, milky white. I applied base coat and cure it before this. Actually, I'm allergic to gel nail. I'm doing another experiment. I'm using a gel for that experiment. The experiment is still ongoing, so I will make a video later. Foil glue from Temu. It's quite possible it's sold out. You can substitute Daiso's anti-slip liquid, although it's not a nail art product. I'm painting it on the white gel. I'm trying to stay inside the white gel. It dries in about 2 minutes, and something shocking happened. The DIY nail foil has so much paper fiber, but it seems thin. I'm gonna use it as it is. Putting it tightly. I'm gonna scratch it a lot. Yes, I did it! I was able to transfer it beautifully. Let's see if I can get rid of the excess. I decided to cut it with a knife. I'm doing it very carefully so as not to damage or hurt my nail or skin. It looks like seaweed. It's not working. I used the knife for nothing. This is nice. It's working. It looks like this. It looks rather shabby. I found a gel nail that matches the Mucha Picture shade. Born Pretty, Reflective Moonlight, Cat Magnetic Gel. Number 3. I'm gonna draw a line on the edges. This was a great success. It's not shabby anymore. There's even something antique about it. I'm applying no wipe top coat to finish the art. It's been more than 18 months since I did nail art on my nail with gel. It's completely different from painting nail tips. Done. The color copy shade wasn't that clear or crisp, so it turned out to be a little blurry picture. But it's actually very nice. I love it. About the experiment I mentioned earlier, I'll stop it if I see any abnormalities or allergic reactions on my nails. I'll make a video on it soon. Make sure to subscribe and wait for it, please. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.